Salut! L'Épiphanie, the Three Kings Day, is just around the corner, which means it's time to eat la galette des rois. Where is it? It's here! So I've talked a little bit about it in previous episodes, and you will find the links to these in the video description on the blog. But now, let's dive in right inside that dessert and see what we find. I'm Géraldine, bienvenue sur Comme une Française TV, sound French even to the French. Une galette can be several things. It can be a kind of pancake in Western France, especially where la galette is a salty crêpe used as a main dish in a meal. For example, je vais vous prendre la galette complète avec du jambon, du fromage et un œuf, s'il vous plaît. Je vais vous prendre la galette complète avec du jambon, du fromage et un œuf, s'il vous plaît. I'm going to have the galette complète, the one with ham, cheese and an egg on top, please. Another kind of galette is the flat round pastry cake version. The most well-known ones, though, is la galette des rois, the galette for the Three Kings Day. And this is the one we're going to talk about today. However, keep in mind that in some parts of France, in the south especially, you can find instead la couronne des rois, the king's crown for the Epiphany Day. It's a donut-shaped cake made with fruits and marzipan. It's also a cake that you can find in Spain, Portugal or Mexico. Les ingrédients. Les ingrédients are ingredients of the cake. The basic ones here are le sucre, sugar, les œufs, eggs, and le beurre, butter, and also la pâte feuilletée, puff pastry. Other cakes or pies may also use la pâte brisée, short crust pastry, the other popular pastry to cook with. But the most iconic ingredient in our galette des rois is of course la frangipane. It's a filling made with almonds and it's closely associated with the king cake. It's mostly almond cream mixed with a good portion of pastry cream. It's delicious and it tastes like the holiday season. In a homemade galette des rois, you can also try using pistachio cream instead of almonds. Anyway, there's still one last ingredient we're missing and it's la fève. La fève is a word that means bean. La fève de cacao is cacao bean, for instance. Traditionally, people used to put a bean in the galette des rois before cooking it in the oven. Then, as we cut the cake and eat it, the guests who find the bean in their own part de gâteau, slice of the cake, wins, and they get to wear the cardboard crown for the day. Nowadays, la fève isn't a bean anymore. It's usually a small porcelain figure, but the tradition is still very much alive. And now you have all the ingredients you need to make your own galette des rois. If you want to try making it yourself, you will find la recette in the links under the video on my blog. Most of us buy our galette des rois in a boulangerie though. So how can you buy one if you're in France? In early January, in the week leading up to the Epiphany, you will find plenty of galette des rois in any supermarket or épicerie, grocery stores. However, I highly recommend that you get one from la boulangerie, the bakery instead. They're usually a bit better and it's important that you go to French boulangerie. As we've mentioned before, it's a very important part of living in France. When you enter la boulangerie, you always need to say hi to le boulanger or la boulangère, bonjour, before saying what you want. Use the condition for your verbs, it's more polite. For instance, bonjour, je voudrais une galette des rois pour 3 personnes, s'il vous plaît. Bonjour, je voudrais une galette des rois pour 3 personnes, s'il vous plaît. Good morning, I would like a king cake for 3 people, please. Or bonjour, je vais vous prendre une galette pour 6, s'il vous plaît. Bonjour, je vais vous prendre une galette pour 6, s'il vous plaît. Good morning, I will have a king cake for 6, please. The baker will ask, et avec ceci, do you need anything more? Then you can answer, ce sera tout, merci. Ce sera tout, merci. That will be all, thanks. Pay what you need, usually between 10 and 20 euros for a galette des rois. Then before leaving, never ever forget to say merci, bonne journée, au revoir. Merci, bonne journée, au revoir. Thanks a lot, have a good day, goodbye. And now you have the complete script you need to be able to buy something in a small shop in France like a real French person without looking like you're being rude. Hope it helps and enjoy your galette. Et toi, have you ever tried la galette des rois? Practice your French and tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Oh, it smells so good. If you're watching this on YouTube, click on the link below this video and you will get to the special blog post on cominfrancaise.com where I read all the comments and answer all your questions as well. And I also have something else for you right now, like an exclusive lesson on the worst French puns in history, for example. Subscribe now on the site and join my everyday French crash course. It's a 10-day mini course to sound French, even to the French. And it's super easy to join, like eating this galette. Leave me your first name and email and you will receive lesson 1 immediately. Best of all, it's free. Merci for watching Comme une Française TV, sound French even to the French. Salut et bon appétit!